I am a woman. 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 I'm a woman. Listen. We are women. The beauty and power of being all in one. And one in all. We can create life and transform it all the times. Together, we are more different, original, real. With different skin color, size, character, and taste. Powerful warriors, loving women. We are freedom, courage, heart and soul. We see everything, we feel everything. We can do everything. We dress up, create ourselves, invent ourselves, reinvent. And with each transformation, we reveal a unique personality. Each one chooses her path and expresses her beauty. We put ourselves out into the world and everything becomes possible. There's a future with many achievements for us. Today and always, we wish all the love and care from Brae Hair Care to you, woman.